welcome back to the channel. Today, I have another pumpkin to carve because that's what we've been doing all October and I'm gonna keep doing it till I'm done. Anyway, so this is another pumpkin from my garden. As you can see, he's a little orange. So, the white pumpkin, my first video for this year, was gonna be a skull. That didn't happen, did it? So I'm gonna make this one a skull. I just need to decide what side's gonna be what. Let's get to it.
Alright, a few of the supplies you're gonna need is a scoop of various sizes, whatever you need for your pumpkin, your carving tools, a washable marker, and of course a candle, and a rag if you desire, and a bowl to put the guts in. If you're saving the seeds, you're gonna need a container for those. Okie dokie, artichoke. Decide what side is gonna be your scully face. Now he's a little tippy, so I'm gonna put the wide side to be his face. Okay, when you're collecting seeds, you see how they grow in these little clustery clumps? Like that? Just squeeze them between your fingers and pull, and voila. And between your fingers and pull. Voila! Easy peasy pumpkin squeezy. And continue to hollow out your pumpkin as normal. If your pumpkin's really small like this one, just use a spoon from the cupboard. Guts. Alright, for your eyes, you're gonna draw basically two egg shapes, with the top of your egg shape pointing to the middle of the forehead. For your nostrils, draw two tear shapes in roughly the same direction as the eyes. For that skeleton smile, I'm simply drawing a mouth shape, and the little lines are going to be the teeth. And I'm going to cut out just the lines if I can help it. Then cut across your smiley face, creating your individual teeth. Widen out the gap inside of your pumpkin by cutting inside at an angle. That's going to make it easier for the light to shine through. And voila! Your basic skull pumpkin.
Isn't it so cute? Yes, it is. Oh, it's so cute.
Because the pumpkin is so small, when you put a real candle in it, it really glows.
Ta-da! I think he came out pretty cute. I mean, he's like the perfect shape for a skull, so I mean, I really can't ask for more than that. He's gonna look so cute with the other ones. I think next time if I make him, I'm gonna like work on the teeth a little more and try to maybe add a little bit more detail, but you know, for what he is, I think he's perfect. This makes number 7, I think, so far. I think we're doing pretty good. I got a few more to carve before Halloween. I think I can get them done. I hope I can get them done. I have so many more ideas. I'm so excited. And that's it for this one, guys. I will see you for the next one real soon. Bye.